Okay, so guys, I'm back. Where's the dog's bed? The only thing
Really?
Oh, really? I'm bad. I'm bad at impressions. Ah! Now, how do I get up there? The paintings will fall. Ah! Fancy stuff. Wow. I don't even know where the dog's bed is. Where is it?
You're killing me!
I just got on the table. Stop being Kevin. But oh, there you go. There's no dog bed. This isn't a dog bed, it's a towel. Dog. Is this a dog bed? No, this is a cat bed. Anyways, I'm just gonna sleep in here. Oh, okay. Roblox? Wow. Cat? Wow, this cat surely knows how to spray paint. What's this? What? Oh, okay, yeah. I totally forgot. Okay, sorry. I just wanted to check why my sister was crying. I just took a sneak peek. Now, how do I get up? There's no coins. Do I have schizophrenia? Oh, that's the coin there. All right. That was the wrong thingy I said. Oh! Ah! Jesus Christ. Why am I so good? Why am I so good at shouting like it's data? Wait, is that the right YouTuber? The blue Minecraft guy? I think, yeah. Wee! No! How do I get up? Come on. Okay. Cleaner. And I can't jump there. Oh my god.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
Very much.
Oh, it's a coin! How do I get up? Do I have to jump on? Yay! Coin!
Killing me!
Useless vases.
Come on!
Come on!
Come on!
Come on, let me scratch your butt! Yay! Coins! Coins everywhere! And there's a red coin, but I can't reach it. What's that? What painting is that? Come on. Ah! Come on. Remember the Bing Bong Backrooms time. Bing Bong Backrooms. I was actually so good at saying that though. on. I need a better jump. Ah! Oh, dude! I get. Come on, I need something good. I need good reflex. Ah! Wow, is that a beach? It's a beach. Oh wait, I can climb. Amazing! Ah! No! I get up. Huh? No, it's impossible. Yay!
Killing me!
I like the sound of glass breaking. I'm a unitard. Oh man. Ralph senses kicking in. Come on, come on. Seriously? Wait, I'm gonna go to a new map. I'm gonna turn off my Wi-Fi real quick. What's that? Nothing. Okay. What should I do? Garden 2. I got a 1 star in that somehow. I don't know what. I don't know how. 6 minutes! 6 minutes without interruption. Oh, there's a grill here too. Hello!
Come on! Oh, really?
Where's the dog? Is that the Macarena? Why are you dancing in front of eating people? Are you dancing the Macarena? Wow. Ah! How do I lure him out? How am I able to lure him out? Ow! Jesus! Do you need meat? That's not meat. Yeah, my sister's crying again. She's just a 3-week-old girl. Wow, 8 minutes. That's so fast. Ah! I didn't even do anything. What is wrong with you? Do you want to battle with me? Arr! 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 Nope, that won't work. Now, how do I get that? Nice. What do I need to lure him out? Why is there a key there? Ah! Jesus! I don't even know what I did to him. Oh, what? What's that? What's that? I never actually saw that. Okay, now it's just birds chirping, which makes that ominous. Never mind. Wow. Pumpkin. They're popping out. Oh, okay, the door is closed. That's great. Okay. Why running? What is wrong with you? Wow, I never actually saw that. Yay! Yay! Key in the doghouse. I know! That's a toy. Wow! The alley of lamps. The alley of lumps. How do I stop doing the Macarena dance?
Ouch!
Come on! Oh man. Ooh! It's a coin.
Could you please?
Yeah!
Come on!
Man! I don't know how I could get in this guy's house. What I have to do? Become a unitard? Come on! There! Come on! No. Launch me! Ah! I didn't mean... Why do you launch me so far? I'm telling on Mom. Oh. Okay. So that was... Oh, wow! It's another cat thingy. 40! Oh, yeah. It only gives you 2 ones. Well, Whoa, coin! Coin! Another... Wow! Coin! Wow! Coin.
Really?
Nice. Apple black crab. Apple Miss Crabapple. Nice. Got that rhymed. Come on.
Ouch!
Yeah. Wait.
Killing me!
Okay, she doesn't react. She's a confident one. That's bad. Okay. Party's over. I just officially ruined it. Wow. Well, it turns out dandruff.